Warning. The following footage was recovered from a private collection seized by local authorities in October 1998. Viewer discretion is strongly advised. The contents of this tape have been described as highly disturbing, psychologically damaging, and not suitable for human observation. Several individuals who have previously viewed this material have reported auditory hallucinations, severe paranoia, recurring nightmares, and in some cases, disappearance. Do not continue if you experience static interference, visual distortion, or if the voices begin to sound familiar. You have been warned.
Come enter the house. The little butterfly is baking cookies. And little Karen is yelling at people. Look, Auntie Karen is gardening. And look, your fake Layla is singing to her amazing fans. Look, unemployed Bob is crying because he has no job. And look, the traumatized is traumatized. Get out of the house now because you just met. Butterflies.
This is a message from the National Emergency Broadcast System. Time, 11:42 p.m. Date, October 12, 1998. Attention viewers, we have received multiple reports regarding the Children S program Butterfly S Family currently airing on Channel 7. It has come to our attention that there are unapproved characters visible in recent broadcasts. The characters are identified by witnesses as Tablet, a blocky, sign figure resembling a blocky human silhouette, standing perfectly still near household furniture. Increase, a circular yellow humanish shape appearing briefly on walls and floors, sometimes pulsing. Die inside normal person dies e higher 7, translated, the only normal person you see here. An adult female who appears in the background, often staring directly at the camera. These figures do not belong to the original cast. They are not to be acknowledged. This is not a test. Remain indoors. Keep your television sets off until this message has cleared.
Butterflies family.
Pilot. What a beautiful day. Let's go inside and see what the Butterflies family is up to. Oh, look, Butterfly has made cookies for us. Well, of course Karen is yelling at random people, get it? 'Cause she's a Karen. Oh, look, old.
Date, 12 February 1999. Program title, Butterflies Family. The cast of Butterflies Family has been found dead. Director, Victor Ainsley. Found in editing room. Monitors still on. Both eyes placed on the play button. Animator, Eliza Corrin. Discovered in studio. Frames pinned to walls. Last drawing, her own face, smiling. Voice actor, Lena Marlowe. Located in recording booth. Throat removed. Tape ended with sound of wings. Producer, Miles Drave. Found in basement. Phrase let them fly. Carved into walls. Body suspended by puppet strings. Here are the last pictures taken a day before their tragic deaths. Victor Ainsley, Eliza Corrin, Lena Marlowe, Miles Drawn.
Kevin is gardening, how sweet of him, and he missed the flower, how stupid of him. And look, your fab Layla is singing to her amazing fans.
Look, an employee Bob is crying. Everyone point and laugh.
you will find me. Why did the lights go out?